Hello viewers, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to solve another Math Olympiad question. This Olympiad question is specifically for Indian students. Now, in solving this question, I'll manipulate the first equation. Let me label this equation 1, equation 2. Equation 1, I'll manipulate it in such a way that I will remove the radicals. So I can multiply everything by the denominator of this fraction. So which implies that a square root of b multiplied by a square root of b equal 20 over, this is 20 over square root of a square root of b multiplied by a square root of b minus b to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by a square root of b. Now this gives a squared b equal 20 minus ab to the power of 2. I can write this as a squared b is a squared b plus ab squared equal 20. Let me label this equation 3. Now let me manipulate the second one. In manipulating the second one, I can factorize through with b because b is common to all the terms. So therefore, I can say b open bracket b open bracket a plus b equal b open bracket 9 minus ab. So I can cancel out the two b's, that's dividing both sides by b. So I have what do I have left? I have a plus b equal 9 minus ab. Can take all the unknown to the left hand side. A plus b plus ab equal 9. So I can label this equation 3. Looking at equation 2, sorry, this is equation 4. Looking at equation 3 and 4, they have something in common, which you cannot see directly except it factorizes. So let me factorize equation 3. If I factorize equation 3 with AB as the highest common factor, AB plus AB open bracket A plus B equal 20. So this is still equation 3. Now, yeah, you can now see that they have something in common. There's A plus B, there's also AB, there's A plus B, there's also AB, which implies that I can represent A plus B with an alphabet X and AB with an alphabet Y. So if I represent, substitute both of them into equation 3 and 4. For this, I'm going to have X plus Y equal 9. X is A plus B and Y is AB. For these parts, I'm going to have xy equal 20. I have two equations that I need to solve simultaneously. So x plus y equal 9 and xy equal 20. Let me make y the subject of formula from this equation. So I have y equal 9 minus x. Let me label this equation 5, equation 6, equation 7. I'm substituting equation 7 into 6. X multiplied by y is 9 minus x equal 20. 9x minus x squared equal 20. So therefore, I have 0 equal 20 plus x squared minus 9x, which is the same thing as x squared minus 9x plus 20 equal 0. So with this, the pair of numbers that I can use to multiply to give me 20, when you add them together, you get the middle value of -4 and -5. So x minus 4 and x minus 5 equals 0, which implies that x is equal to 4 or 5. Now, this is not the end of the question. The question, don't forget what we have in mind to find are a and b. But in order to get a and b, you must get x and y first. I've gotten x, I need to get y. I'm going to substitute both of them into this equation. Is the simplest one to make use of. Y is equal to 9 minus 5, 9 minus x. So when x is 4, y will be 9 minus 4, which is y equal 5. So I have 4 comma 5. Likewise, when x is 5, I have y equal 9 minus 5, y equal 4. So I have 5 comma 4. I have two pairs that satisfies the equation x plus y equal 9 and xy equal 20. Now the next thing to do is to use them to get a and b. Don't forget we said a plus b is x and ab is y. A plus b equal x and ab equal y. So I need to make use of the x and y values to get a plus b. A plus b equal 4, which is x, ab equal 5, which is y in the pair. So I can make b the sum formula here also. I'm solving them simultaneously. One is linear and the other one is non-linear. It's a reciprocal function, or you say a hyperbolic function. This is a reciprocal function or hyperbolic function, because if you make a separator formula, a is 5 over b, or make b separator formula, b is 5 over a. The graph of both of them will look like this. So reciprocal function. So I don't want to make a or b separator formula from the second one. I want to make it from the first one. B is 4 minus a. I'm substituting here now. A 4 minus a equal 5. 4a minus a squared equal 5. So here I have a squared minus 4a plus 5 equals 0. Now let's factorize this. This is not factorizable. If we check this with discriminant d, 4a minus b squared minus 4ac will give, substitute the value of b, which is negative 4, square is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 5. This gives minus 4. So the discriminant is less than 0, which means it has no solution. So this pair does not have any solution for a and b. We'll check the second pair, 5 and 4. Let's check the second pair, 5 and 4. A plus b equal 5 and ab equal 4. So what is a plus b? 5. Let me make b separator formula. 5 minus 4. I'm substituting it here. So therefore I have a bracket 5 minus 4 equal, excuse me, not 5 minus 4, sorry for that. 5 minus a. 5 minus a equal 4. So 5a minus a squared equal 4. So I have, if you multiply everything by minus 1, a squared minus 5a plus 4 equals 0. So in factorizing this, negative 4 and negative 1, a minus 4 and a minus 1 equals 0. A is equal to 1 or 4. I've gotten two values of a, so I need to get the remaining two values of b that satisfy the two simultaneous equation. I'm going to substitute both of them into this equation. Therefore, I have the equation is 5, b is equal to 5 minus a. Therefore, b is equal to 5 minus 1 when a is 1, and this gives 4. I have a pair, a is 1, b is 4. The second one, when a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5 minus a, that's 5 minus 4, which is 1. Therefore, a is 4, b is 1. These are the two pairs that satisfy the equation given. which implies that I have two values of A. A is equal to 4 when, let me see, let me put it this way. A is equal to 4 when B is equal to 1, or it can be A is equal to 1 when B is equal to 4. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.